So I wanted to talk about my power steering treatment. Talk about how I can, this is like, my car is still cold. How I can just, at a standstill with my pinky, just turn my steering wheel, which is something that I could not do. And matter of fact, in most cases, I end up fighting the steering wheel just to get out of a parking space or whatever. And so now that power steering, man, the conditioner in the power steering has been amazing. Driving it has been a little bit more, I have to make sure I'm paying attention when I'm like turning, so I don't turn too harshly, like to the left or to the right, because the steering's so light now. Yeah, man, I'm just enjoying this, man. You guys, if you have power steering whine, if you have, if you feel like your steering is getting harder to like turn side to side, don't put up with it. Go ahead and order this treatment, and the results speak for themselves. It doesn't really matter what situation your car is in, unless the pump is utterly mechanically failing. This stuff will definitely give it more life, and more life abundantly. Peace.